I've grown up with many different types of planes. I've grown up with wooden planes and bench planes made from cast iron as well. And I'm often asked why I reach for the number 4 plane for almost everything I do. Well, it wasn't always that way. When I was an apprentice, I started with a number 4 plane. As I got more muscle and more arm, I went for a bigger plane, a 4.5 plane. And that just gave me a little bit of extra width. But what I've learned through the years is that the number 4 plane seems to me to be the most versatile. I can just about do anything with a number 4 plane, including planing long lengths and jointing them, and just about everything I can do with this plane. So that's why it's my recommended plane for anybody starting out in woodwork is a number 4 plane. There's a smaller version, a number 3, and then 2 and 1. We don't use those, they're not practical for woodworking particularly. The number 4 is a great plane to start with. You might want a number 5, which is slightly longer, and you might want a 5.5, which is slightly wider, and you might want a 4.5. After that, it goes 6, 7, and 8, and they're basically all wide planes, and they're used for long joints, long sections, for truing up boards. But again, I want to go back to this because most of my truing up is done with either a number 4 or a number 5. But the number 4 does the bulk of the work for me. It's a plane that I've used through 55 years, and I don't think I've found a better plane, a Stanley or a Record. Either one, they both work just as well as one another, and this would be my recommended plane. It's versatile. If I plane the edge of a piece of wood, I can flip round a corner in a heartbeat. I can plane up the end grain of the nubs of my dovetails. I can do so many things. I can do bevels onto the edge. I can take the arris off. I can do a whole host of things with this one plane. It's really a remarkable plane. It's probably one of the best inventions that I've ever come across in woodworking.